Yeah,
Thanks, Jess.
thank you.
All right, so it's recording right now. So when you have 2 ln6, you could bring it up to top. Jess, since you said you put it on top, what is 6 squared, or 6 to the second?
6 squared is 36.
Good, 36. So your answer is 36, ln 36. That was letter D. So your answer for number 4 is D.
Shut up, Mommy. We can hear you.
Number 5, ln
Sorry.
6 ln 2. So 6 ln 2. So same thing. I can make the 6 go on top. So now it's ln 2 to the 6th power. 2 to the 6th power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2
8.
times 2.
Oh.
So 864. So it ends up being ln 64. So let's see if that matches one of our options. It does. It matches A. So that's ln 64. So that's A. And I know the last option has to be C, but let's still do it out just to practice. Last one I imagine is going to be a plus, isn't it? Let's see. Yep. ln 6 plus ln 2. When you add, you can multiply
6
the
plus 2.
numbers. So it's going to be 6 times 2.
12.
Good. ln 12, which I'm going to imagine is C. Okay. Before we move on, any questions on the first 4?
This part's like easy. It's the other parts that are like difficult.
Fair enough. Well, the first part should always be easier than the second part. So let's see. Can I just flip this over? Yeah. Okay. Now the next part. The next part, they give us some given here. So I'm going to write that down on the top of my whiteboard. So log 4 is 0.602, and log 12 is 1.079. So I'm going to write that given and even put it in a little box to show how important it is for myself, okay? And we're going to use that given for all the problems that are about to come.
What number are we on?
This is going to be number 7 to 14, so we're going to start with number 7, Jess.
Okay.
Okay. So number 7, let me write something. 7, 8, and 9, so I don't have to keep.
Log 3 equals x, and then you bring the arrow around, and you do.
Not this case. Not this case, because we're actually looking for the actual number. The other time, like last section, I was asking you to rewrite it. So that's why we set it equal to x and start doing some stuff.
Oh no.
Okay. So the first one is a tough one.
5 minutes, Mr. Tobo. Is that okay?
That's fine. Again, this will be posted later on YouTube.
Okay. Thank you.
So let's look at the first one. Number 7, log base 3. Okay. So log base 3. The only thing we're given is 12 and 4. Can anyone try to think, what can we do with 12 and 4 to get 3?
12 divided
4
by
times
4.
3 is 12.
4 times 3 is 12. And Racheli said it though, we need to use 12 and 4, so we can do 12 divided by 4. So I can rewrite this as log 12 divided by 4. Well, 12 divided by 4, when it's divided together, they're subtracted separate. So it's going to become log 12 minus log 4. Okay, I actually know what log 12 is, so I circled that because I can substitute. I actually also know what log 4 is, so I can circle that, so I'm going to substitute. So that's 1.079 minus 0.602.
God, Mr. Tobal, I just realized this is not as hard as I think.
Yes, sometimes we just, like, when you're in the classroom, like, it's just like when you see someone actually do it and talk it through, it's so much easier. So I blame the modem, not necessarily misunderstanding. So I don't have a calculator, but I believe it's going to be
0.477.
77, good. 0.477, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so 0.477. So that's our answer for the first one. Okay. Let's keep
Okay.
going. I'm going to go all the way to 19 or whatever, 14. If you want to leave before that, that's okay. So log 48, I need somehow with 12 and 4 to make 48.
7, 8.
7, 8.
Oh,
Okay.
12 times 2. 12 times 3.
Tell times. One more time.
3.
No.
12 times 3.
No.
4.
4. Good. 12 times 4. So 12 times 4 is going to be the way to make it a 48. Since it's multiplied together,
You
when
add.
you separate it, is add. Good. So it's log 12 plus log 4. Look, it's very similar to the one on top up here. Here, here, circle those. So 1.79 plus this time 0.602. And that should be 1.8.
1.681.
Good. 1.6.
What does that say? 602 or 6?
602 is the same number as the given up here.
Oh, and then
Number
it
is given.
equals. I can't.
1.681.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mhm.
All right. Number 9.
Wait, Mr. Tobo, Sophia wants you to let her in.
My bad. I have to keep looking at this thing. There you go. She's in now. Okay, so Sophia, we're recording. I'm going to post later this on Google Classroom too, okay?
Oh, are we taking notes?
I'm doing all the homework because people asked.
Oh my God, Liana, be quiet.
Yeah.
So next one, we got log 16. Now, just an important note, you don't always have to use both 12 and 4. So what can we do with both 12 and 4 to get to there?
Add.
We could add, but here's the issue. We don't have any special rules when we're added together. So while that does give you 16, that's not going to be a
Can you
way to actually
multiply?
solve it.
4 times 4.
Good. So then we could rewrite 16 as log
Yeah.
I don't even know what we're
1
doing.
times 4. I'm doing the homework. So did you watch the video? of the
Wait,
lesson?
are you writing it down right now as we're speaking?
Yes.
Oh, I thought this was a video.
The most interactive video ever, yeah. All right.
Wow.
Okay, so log 4 times 4, we're allowed to split multiplication as log plus of log 4 plus log 4. So we know what log 4 is. That's 0.602 plus 0.602. When you add that together,
I got it.
go ahead.
1.204.
Good, 1.204.
I still have to watch the video to get the notes because I was on with Mr.
Yeah,
Smith.
Sophia, that might be helpful.
Yeah.
All right, so that's 7, 8, 9. I think we got 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14.
Yeah.
Okay, any questions on 7, 8, 9 right now? Because I'm about to erase it.
No.
Wait, tell me like what's the main thing we have to do? Like what's like really like tough?
Watch the video. That's the main thing you always have to do.
It's like 20 minutes.
It goes by really fast, Sophia.
I
Mr.
know he
Tobo,
goes, hi,
Put it on
algebra.
2-speed then.
But you know what
Mr.
makes me
Tobo.
laugh is when he pauses the video, goes, okay, guys, tell me your answer.
Yeah, like Dora the
I can
Explorer. I
tell
was
you my
thinking
answer.
about
I
that.
can tell you my
Tobo,
answer.
I actually talk out loud to you.
There you go, see?
I was like, it's 3, and I got it.
All right, I'm going to erase this and go on to 9, 10, 11, okay?
Tobo, we have to make a TikTok. Like, come on.
You get 100 on the next test.
I don't even know what I got on the test.
Mr. Tobo, when are we getting our test back?
Did I not mark them?
Oh, did you? I don't remember.
Sorry.
You sent me so many things that I don't even know what you said.
Exactly. So I'm pretty sure I did, but if I didn't, then I'll check back.
Test due
Tobo.
tomorrow.
Well,
Mr. Tobo, basically, I did like, I do all your homeworks, and it
Mhm.
says that I turned them in. So I don't know why you never get them.
You have to make sure you plug the picture with it too, because sometimes I think you gotta put the picture and
it
click
says,
submit.
like, I press like whatever, like you know how it
Mr.
says like
Tobo, if we
create.
got a 2 out of 2, does that mean we got 100?
Yes, it should be actually a 6 out of 6 because I made it worth 3 homework.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden I see 0 out of 2.
Oh, well, I see 2 out of 2, but it's fine.
If it's not connected, I put 0 out of 2 just so for now until you.
I mean, I sent it to you when you told
Wait, so
me.
how do we know what we got?
2 out of 2. Well, that test was before we made an official test, so that was just basically a glorified homework.
I hate logs already. Like I don't even know. What this is.
Wait, so we didn't have an actual test yet?
That's not an actual test now.
No, it's not an actual test.
When's our next test?
After Passover for sure.
Yay.
God.
But it can't be on too much because this is hard.
It is hard. It'd be like 2 sections, but or no, it should be like 3 to 4 sections.
Love them.
I know number 10, Mr. Tobel.
You know number 10? You're gonna walk us through it, okay? I just
Oh
wrote
wait,
it
no,
down.
I know number 11.
Okay. Well, let's do number 10 then, and then we'll do number 11.
Yeah, I'll watch because I don't know what we're doing.
I just
Fair enough.
wanted to see Sophia's face. So I told her to
Okay.
come on.
So number 10, log base 64. So we need to use 12 and 4 to get to 64.
So 12.
And we can use
Yes,
multiple
Olivia.
of them. You could use like 3 12s if you needed to.
I have to go to the back.
So log 4
Wow,
times log 4 times log 4.
Good. So it's going to be log 4. I'm going to rewrite it as this actually. 4 to the 3rd power.
I'm
Okay.
about to pee in my
Why
pants.
can't you do?
I'm
is
gonna
it
go.
times-
Go
no,
back.
no.
Someone comes, ignore them.
Yes, it's okay.
Is it,
Sophia,
is,
what's
is
Sophia,
it
what's
8
your
times
question?
64?
Say it again.
Am I making that up? 8 times 8?
Oh, so it's going to be
8 times 8. Yes.
times
So,
0.602.
yeah, so I'm going to keep going. Sophia, you are right. 8 times 8 does give you 64. But if
So
you
like-
watch the video, you would know you need to use either.
Okay, you know what? I'll watch the video.
Good idea. So it's going to be 3 log 4. So that's 3 times what log 4 equals, which is 0.602.
Oh.
Now, if you did 4 times 4 times 4, you will still get the right answer. I just want to
So
show
it's
you.
1.806.
Good. 1.806. So on the camera. Good. Okay. Next one, 144. Are you ready to do this one, Raheli?
Yeah, so log 12 times 12.
Good. 12 times 12. Just a side question. How else could I have wrote it?
12 squared.
Squared.
12 squared. Which one do you want to continue with?
I don't care.
Okay. Let's do 12 squared. I think that makes it a little easier to write. So how can I rewrite this exponent here? What can I do?
2 times log 12.
Good. 2 times log 12. And I know what log 12 is. What is log 12?
To the bathrooms, like enter the real world.
1.079.
Good. So 2 times 1.079?
2.158.
58. Thank you. So that's my answer for number 11.
Wait, 2.158.
Mm-hmm.
8 and okay.
Last
Yeah.
one, 1 over 3. Oh, this is a little difficult.
Wait, we didn't do 12.
So log 1 over 3. It is. How can we get 1 over 3? That's kind of actually hard. Let's see what could we do. Does anyone have any guesses right now before I give the answer?
No.
Oh, you do log 1 plus log 3 gives you log 4.
Okay, but this is
Savage.
no. You can't do separate logs.
That's
Add up.
bougie
When
ratchet.
they're added separately, they're multiplied.
I think
And this is division too, so you don't want to add either.
so sorry.
So we have 12 and 4 is our given. So since 12 and 4 is our given, we're going to rewrite log 1 over 3 as log 12 over 4. Oh, no, that makes it 3 over 1. We're going to write it as 4 over 12. Okay? Because 4 over 12 reduces down to 1 over 3.
Oh.
So that the division means subtraction. So log 4 minus log 12. 4 is 0.602 minus 1.079.
Negative 0.477.
Good, negative 477. And it's okay if your result is a negative
It
number.
doesn't look that hard. Is
It's
it?
not that hard. It's just, it's completely new. That's the issue.
Yeah. It's just so hard. Like, my mom goes, you should be doing better online than you are in school. I'm like, I'm literally doing worse online than I am in school.
Mr. Toba, why do you give us so much fractions?
This
I
subject.
think it's so much work. I'm literally trying to live my life. Not that I
homework
have
is
one.
It's exactly the same homework I would have gave if you were in class.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. Oops! Someone just opened my Snapchat. Yeah, go on.
Yes, remember, this is recorded, please.
Oh,
Wait,
Okay.
you hear us?
So we're gonna do 13 and 14.
okay.
I'm gonna write
Yeah.
that down.
Did like Rabbi Reuben say?
Does
Yes.
Sophia lag a little bit? What up, Sophia?
Oh, did Rabbi Reuben say you had to like record the classes?
No, but this is useful because I could just post this on YouTube later, and this could be helpful for somebody who wasn't.
Are we gonna be on this?
You're on the like I said multiple times.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Today
Hi.
we're learning Algebra 2 with the one and only Brandon.
Can they see our faces?
I think so.
Yay! No,
Nice.
okay, I'm gonna
It's
go.
exactly like
Bye.
this in the video, so it's gonna be too hard.
Thank you, Mr. Tobel.
Hey, no problem, Simon.
Have a good day.
I'm still confused, but thank you.
Is it
Did this help a little bit though? Tell me that.
Yeah, a little.
It
I just-
helped
I
me.
don't
I didn't even
understand
watch the
anything.
video
Mr.
yet.
Tobel, you're my only class that I actually understand what's happening.
All right. I guess I'm more technologically.
A little bit, I do. Oh, hi, unicorn.
You're the only class that actually communicates with me.
Remember, this is recorded, so I'm not gonna.
Yes,
count
it
it.
Oh, sorry.
So let's go through this. Log 1 divided by log 4. That's log. I'm going to rewrite it as 1 minus log 4. Now you might notice in the given, we don't get log 1. But the reason we don't need log 1 is because of this rule. Log, no matter what the base is, 1 will always equal 0.
10. Oh.
So
It
that
was
is the
10.
Oh,
rule.
so it's just log 1 minus log 4.
Yes. Because 1 is okay to have. And Sophia, you mentioned 10. What your point is, it's always a visible 10 if you don't see it. That's where
Oh,
the
okay,
10's
man.
coming from, okay?
So it's just negative 0.602.
Yes. So let me just fill it in though. 0 minus 0.602 will simply
I
become
should be doing the
negative
homework.
0.602.
Sorry.
All right. All right. And we're on the last piece of the homework.
It's the
How many
same.
We already
How
have
many
a
questions?
12 in
How
our
many
given,
questions are there?
so we can rewrite it as log 1 minus log 12.
Can I show it to you after instead of sending a picture in?
No, send a picture.
Okay.
So then log 1 is always 0, and log 12 in this case is going to be 1.072. So this just simply becomes negative 1.072.
All right.
Okay, easy enough, Mr. Tobel.
Yep, and that's it.
Thank you.
No problem.
Bye.
Thanks, Mr. Tobel.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
No problem. I'll post this on YouTube later too if you need to read it.
Oh. Bye.
Bye-bye. I hope this helped. And use this to your advantage, okay?